in the full Latin word, for me to react to Jandor, whether he's collapsing to the right or collapsing to the left, he can collapse to anything he wants. He's, he was an LTV cameraman, so he can shoot his pictures from all sides of the divide. He's well known now for the caricature that he represents. Any organization anywhere in the world, whether in the first world, the third world, or the poorest world, you can't but make mistakes. But your ability to discuss, to amend, and suggest solutions will be a measure of your competence to move forward. I want to wish him well. He's gone back. He says he's gone to APC, that PDP people have collapsed. If you later, people showed me the picture. I looked at it. All those guys surrounding him. Who are they? That's the PDP. It was unfortunate that a respectable elder suggested his name. And even when the elders, the same elders we met, because once you are contesting for that high position, you normally present yourself. Each of the aspirants will come before the elders to present themselves, what they have done, who they are, and all that. We knew the fellow who was much better than him, that won that presentation. But because of where he was nominated to say we should consider, we gave a lot of regard and respect. And we said, why don't you, okay, he's slightly older than the younger one. Let him be the one you made to him. He prostrated and said, thank you, sir. Only for him to flip-flop and say, there was somebody who said, if he wins, he should go and get that lady to come out. I looked at this young man. You are much younger than my first 3 children. I told him to get out of here. Because he was absolute nonsensical. But in politics, you see the good, the bad, and the ugly. We have learned a lesson. The crisis that we are, trying to resolve in our party, because this party is an Iroko tree. It's like an oak tree in Lebanon. No matter the wind, a Iroko tree in the bush, no matter the wind, it will flip-flop here, there, but at the end of it, because the root is deep. And that is why our party has survived till today. We are reassessing mistakes, self-inflicted mistakes that we made. We're learning the lessons. And he's looking at that as if we have collapsed. I laugh. Because his own organization, the so-called APC, he came up publicly and told the world that I own the party. So we want, when we go back to the electorate, because the real power, there is no presidential governance. There is no president who says it's government. There is no governor who says it's government. The real government are the people. If we really have to sort out the rubbish, the mess that we call the INEC now, we bought new machines, we bought new technology. Still, in Ghana there, it worked. In Nigeria, it's glitch. Why can't be straightforward? Why can't we be straightforward for a change? Who is suffering now? So, Jandor, I wish him well. He's looking for another free lunch. The foolish people who thought, hey, they found somebody, they've learned a lesson. But we have determined that in these states, anybody, no matter who you are, you want to contest, the people will decide.
Yes.
From now, no Baba say anymore. Nobody say, go to your local government, fight it out from your ward, and let the people say, so that in 4 years you'll be thinking, if I want to renew my mandate to go back, what would I have done to the people to say, yes, we support you? That was what is missing. That's why today you go to the national, nobody gives a damn. What have they done to impact positively, to bring joy and happiness to the faces of Nigeria? But in the meantime, a place that is quiet and peaceful, say, emergency. We've seen it before. Where, my Oga there, everything built will be named after him. Everything, the moment he left, they removed all those things. We are all still alive. We've seen it before. Psychophancy. Let that psychophancy be positivity to make people happy, to guarantee good life for them. That is the essence of governance. The management of the resources of the land for the benefit of the people.
Thank you, sir.
Simplicity.
Thank you very much.
For somebody who is really civilized, honest, dedicated, and loyal, to say you want to go from the party that made you, that gave you the ticket, because the competition before you can get the ticket, primaries and this. I keep challenging our colleagues in APC. In PDP, you find all the structures. That's why I call it the Oko-Jumbo. The political Oko-Jumbo. You have chairman, secretary, the attorney general, legal advisor, youth leader, woman leader, this, that, all that structure, all the way to the world.
Yes.
We because of our crisis, we delayed our next meeting. Ask our APC. When was the last time they had a national convention? That was when Bola emerged as presidential candidate. He alone appointed Ganduje as chairman. So who is the secretary of APC national? Who is the woman leader? Who is the youth leader? Where are those other people? Now come to the zone. Come to my state here. Who is the state chairman of APC? The secretary, these boys who are running around.